y'all, Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a terrific Thursday. I know I am really excited. We got the BoxyCharm in the mail today, which I am actually really happy because it seems that this was really fast. Some of the other subscriptions, are more towards the middle, towards the end of the month by the time you actually get them. So, for just outside a week is awesome. I also do not have any lipstick on for this video yet because I do know one of the spoilers was there is a Smashbox lippy in the BoxyCharm, so I wanted to try that on for you guys. And again, this is the August 2018 BoxyCharm. So we are going to go ahead and dive in here. I do want to say, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to hit subscribe so you can see any further videos. As well, don't forget to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway that I have going on. I will leave a link down below. I will also have a link down in the description to send you over to BoxyCharm if you are not already subscribed, so that you can get yourself a BoxyCharm box because it is absolutely amazing. It is $21 a month and you are guaranteed over $100 worth of products. I started last month with BoxyCharm, fell in love, so I am really excited to dive in here. So let's go ahead and take our box cutter and dive into this box. Like I said, I was so excited when I checked the mail today. I was like, oh my goodness, it's here already. All right. So when we open it, it's like this, and it always comes with the card that kind of tells you the theme of the month. And this month it is Life of the Party. And it will tell you more about the products in here, so I'm not going to peek because, like I said, I obviously know of the Laurely Los Angeles palette will be in here, so I'm looking forward to seeing that. And then I do know about the Smashbox lippy, but it could be a wide variety of the lippies. So let's get on in here and see. Okay, perfect. So first thing we're going to start with, I see here, is the Laurely Los Angeles palette, and it is actually really pretty. It is the Party Animal palette, and it does have the film over the shadows and a beautiful mirror. The name of the colors are It's a Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Drinks, Bottoms Up, and Hung Over. These colors, I'm trying to get it so you guys can see without a glare, they are very, very bold, and definitely do ring Party Animal. They actually kind of remind me of the 80s, which is great. It does look like the only one that I'm seeing is the Bottoms Up, which is this pink one that does appear to have some shimmer. The others appear to be a matte. This Hung Over, this darker purple, may have a little bit of shimmer in it, but Bottoms Up, I definitely can see that. So I am actually not going to keep this. These colors are a little bit too out there for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it right back here in this plastic that it was in, and that's why I didn't take the little plastic sheet inside off of the colors, because I'm going to add this to my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So definitely, like I said, make sure that you get in there and you subscribe and you enter the contest, and this could end up being yours. So I'm gonna go back. Okay, there we go. It's back in the package. So we go next, and we have a product from Bang Beauty. Glare. I have my blinds open because it's finally not raining here in North Carolina for, I want to say we had about 3 weeks straight where it rained every day. So we have the blinds open to enjoy the beautiful sunshine. Let's see, this is a chocolate gel eyeliner. It's so cute. So, so cute. And as you can see there, the chocolate gel. I don't know that I would use this as an eyeliner. I typically use just black eyeliner, but I could see myself using this potentially as a brow gel. So we might have to give that a try. I don't know if it'll be too dark, but we can definitely try, and if it is too dark, I could pass it along. Next I see NCLA Los Angeles treatments. Vitamin E infused cuticle oil. I do not have a cuticle oil, so I'm very excited to get this because I do get gel manicures all the time, and they, you know, obviously they do take care of my cuticles and stuff, but for at home, this is awesome. So I'm actually gonna try it. It's in like a little dropper. And y'all know I'm gonna smell this, right? Because I smell everything. I really like it because, I mean, it obviously is an oil, cuticle oil, but once you rub it in, it's not, doesn't leave you feeling greasy. So that's nice. Ooh. Oh, it smells really good. It honestly smells like cotton candy and marshmallow, something like that. It smells really good. So, yay. Okay, and then we have got by Wander Beauty, which we did receive the mascara from Wander Beauty and BoxyCharm last month, and I absolutely love that mascara. This is Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. So it is 3 pairs. So you can do 3 treatments. So that's really awesome. I'm excited to try these. Maybe it'll help with my dark circles and tired eyes. Okay. Next, I'm really excited to see this. I have wanted to try it, so yay for BoxyCharm. The Tarte Lifted Sweatproof Mascara. I am so happy this ended up in my box. Beautiful package. Can't even talk. Purple packaging. So, yay. I know we received a mascara last month, but I love trying so many different mascaras. Let me make sure one thing. Okay, this is cruelty free, so it's great. Okay, it's in black brown. I was like, it's got a little bit of a brown look. But I do like, okay, so it's black brown, so that'll still work for me. And it is just your standard spool for mascara. So we will definitely give this a try, and I'm really hoping that this will be as wonderful as I expect it to be. And finally, we have our Smashbox Lippy product. So I am going to move my box so that I can open this. And I ended up getting the Be Legendary Pucker Up Lipstick Palette in Neutral. So let's get this out of the box. And it's just got a Smashbox card in there. Oh, that's cute. Can you see when you tilt the package? Ooh, that's cool. All of these shades are right up my alley, so another score for BoxyCharm. They are beautiful. Just this little brush, and I will just use this real quick since I do not have all of my other makeup brushes in here. So we can put some lipstick on. And I think I'm going to go with the second one right here. Let's see if they say the names. They do. Okay. That one is called Cognac. Put it this way so I can show you guys. You can see the colors as I name them. So this first one is Coffee Run. The second one that I'm going to put on is Cognac, Famous, Safe Word Matte, Mauve Matte, First Time Matte. So it looks like we have 3 matte shades. So let's get in here with this. It is a neutral color, but I like it because it's just a little hint. I do sometimes do a little bit more bold, but having this will be nice. So, there's that. I think it's a really pretty color. And it's really soft. And creamy. So yay. That's fun. Alright. So I'm gonna put this back in here. Let's get lipstick on it. It'll be alright. So I am actually very happy with the box that I ended up receiving. I love the Tarte Lifted Mascara. I know that there were going to be so many variations to this box. So again, to receive the ones that I was really kind of looking for, excuse my clock, was great. So again, the Tarte Lifted Mascara, the Smashbox palette. I'm really happy to have received the palette. And then we had the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette, which, like I said, is going into the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Really like and happy for the cuticle oil, the Wonder Beauty eye masks, and then the Bang Beauty eye gel liner, eyeliner gel. Well, like I said, I'm probably going to try more as a brow gel. So again, if you have not already, join BoxyCharm. It is well worth the $21 a month. Let me actually take a look here and see so I can let you guys know. The Laura Lee Los Angeles palette is valued at $19. The Tarte Cosmetics mascara is listed at $23. The Smashbox palette is $24. The Wonder Beauty eye mask are $13. The Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner, $22. And then the cuticle oil by NCLA is $18. So again, well worth the $21 that the box costs to get all of these products. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. I know it went a little long. I will link everything down below to get you over to BoxyCharm if you would like to sign up. And I hope again that you do enter. My necklace just got all tangled, you guys. Again, I do hope you guys enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway if you are already subscribed. And if you are new to the channel, please, like I said, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and enter so that you have a chance to win as well. Again, hope everyone has a wonderful, I can't talk, y'all, a wonderful rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.